Hello everyone. Now I'm in the book binding machine, multi clips. And this is our hot cell model of 5 clips book binding machine. This kind of machine has the automatic book cover feeding function, and speed is very fast. Can use the EVR glue. Our main product is the 5 clips now. It's very wholesale. Also, we make the 4 clips. Also the 3 clips that need a custom, and delivery time need confirm with us. Sometimes we have the 5 clips machine in stock. And our machine, we make the parts, machine parts in our first floor. We make by ourselves. Also, we have the single clips to our binding machine. These are the goods which we prepared in stock. Just if you want the single clips, please let me know. We can send in 1 week after covering the payment. Okay, that's all for this video. If you have need of this kind of machine, please let me know. I will send you our best offer.